Good afternoon, Philippines. This is Mike Padua once again, and we are now bringing a special update on Tropical Disturbance 95W. That's right, the shallow LPA, which we mentioned last night on our last tropical advisory, has been given by the US as tag ID 95W. So this is for today, Tuesday, December 1st, 2020. And this is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. So let's proceed now. Here's our latest fast animation. As you can see, we can continue to show the trough or the mid-level circulation starting to move away from the weather system or the LPA. There has been some increasing cloudiness west of LPA 95W. LPA 95W is circulating here to the east or near the coast of Eastern Samar. So it's currently bringing some heavy rainfall, torrential rains, and some on and off rainfall as well across Samar provinces, including Masbate and the whole of the Bicol region. And also it's being enhancing the northeast monsoon, bringing some windy or breezy conditions across Bicol region as well as Samar provinces. Let me proceed to our zoom in satellite animation. So this is the latest from windy.com premium, the latest satellite animation for the past 6 hours beginning at 10 a.m. this morning. 8 a.m. this morning. So you can still see here the flow of the low-level clouds. That's the northeast monsoon extending across Visayas. This is only just the northeast, the northerly wind flow, but here it's still the northeast monsoon. As you can see, it is still blowing across the Bicol region with some winds of up to 60 or 70 kph, especially along the coastal areas. And these are the rain clouds from Samar towards the Bicol region. So the low-level center of LPA 95W is located now to the east of Borongan, Eastern Samar. So the center is somewhere here. Actually, it's being pushed southward by the strong surge of the Amihan or the northeast monsoon. But the good news, as you can see, for the past 6 hours, the cloudiness of this LPA has begun to dissipate, but right after bringing some heavy downpour across some of provinces and portions of the Bicol region, particularly Sorsogon, Albay, and Catanduanes, while portions of Camarines provinces will continue to have passing light to moderate to at times heavy rainfall, as well as the strong Amihan or the northeast monsoon, blowing across our region. So as you can see, since the system is struggling to develop, only low-level cumulus can be seen here, as well as nimbus clouds. But overnight, there might be another formation of these rain clouds. That's why for the next 2 days, we could still experience some rainfall across the Bicol region, in some parts of the Bicol region, for the next 2 days. Let me check the infrared. So you can see here the dark red has begun to diminish, just turning into lighter red color. So that's a sign that the cloud circulation of this LPA has begun to weaken. Although since the system is still there, we could expect some rainfall for the next 2 days. Now let's take a look at our forecast for the next 2 days. So this is from the ECMWF based from the 2 a.m. forecast. So by tomorrow afternoon, the LPA is somewhere here near the coast of Bicol region, moving towards the northwest, but we could still see some thunderstorms passing over the Bicol region. If we are going to play it on Wednesday morning, so you can see here, these are thunderstorms generated by this LPA. So it could pass again over Camarines provinces by tomorrow morning. So please take all necessary precautions, especially on flood-prone areas of Bicol region. And it will diminish and bring some thunderstorms also here across the areas of Masbate and northern Panay. So as we move through Thursday, you can see the LPA is starting to weaken, but it's still there, maybe becoming a shallow once again, a shallow LPA, a very weak system. But it's safe to say that it's not expected to develop into a tropical cyclone. So that's the latest. So if we move towards Thursday, you can see only the remnants of the LPA bringing some rains as well on Thursday, Friday, and then on Saturday we could be experiencing some improvement of the weather, but in the afternoon we could still see some showers and thunderstorms on December 5. Okay, so that's the latest on the LPA. We are not going to discuss now the American model, since it's not yet accurate when it comes to formation of these future LPAs, but we are going to focus our updates on the ECMWF, the more reliable one. So before I leave you, here's the latest graph set we created this afternoon, until valid for tomorrow 1 p.m. December 2. So here we go, the LPA 95W with less than 35% chance of becoming a tropical cyclone or a tropical depression for the next 24 hours. And the combination of this LPA and the northeast monsoon will continue to bring windy conditions of up to 70 kph across the Bicol region, as well as on and off light to moderate to at times heavy rainfall across Bicol Peninsula as well as Eastern Visayas. The rest of the country will just have windy conditions with cloudy skies with passing showers and good weather across Palawan, although the northeast monsoon still prevails. Since the northeast monsoon is a wind system, even there's no rain, we can consider or categorize it as the monsoon. So Palawan will still have some windy conditions because of the northeast monsoon, but good weather also across the Sulu Archipelago, while the rest of Visayas and the coastal areas of Zamboanga del Norte will be under the influence of the northerly winds. Okay, it's no longer northeasterly since the shift of the wind is coming from the north. Okay, so this is the location, 104 kilometers east northeast of Boangan, Eastern Samar, as of 11 a.m. this morning, but around 2 to 1 p.m. right now it's already moving south, the LPA. So it's really it's still erratic when it comes to the movement of that LPA. Okay, so that's the quick update on the LPA, which is bringing some rainfall and moderate to strong winds across the Bicol region and Samar provinces because of the combined effects of the circulation of the LPA and the northeast monsoon or Amihan. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be #WeatherWiser, #TyphoonWiser, and thank you for watching our YouTube channel.